What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel.
Yo también tengo una jipeta, la tengo por la que conta mi shari. Déjame el miedo en la gaveta, cuida con lo que sube para el story. Y adivina quién viene por ahí. Viene Juana, viene Mari, todas las baby quieren party, un comentario.
If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. My name is Shayna. Make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I do post a new video. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. I don't really know where I was going with it. I don't know what to call this look, but it's giving like summery, warm vibes. This is like really cute. Yeah, it's kind of like a sunset vibe with some glitter. If you guys want to see how I created this face, then please keep on watching. So for the brows, I'm using the Cosmikology brow pencil in the shade Earth Stone. Just filling that in on both of my brows. Then to prep for some shadow, I'm using the Cosmikology Star Concealer. Blending that out, and then I'm going to blend it some more with my Beauty Blender. Now I'm going in with the Norvina palette. This is a purple palette, and I'm taking those two yellow shades as my transition shade. This is like a sunset kind of eye that we're going for. And then I took the two orange shades in the palette, and I added this more into the crease with the yellow, blending that together. And then after that, I'm waiting for the next clip to come up. Okay, so I took the concealer, Cosmikology, and I'm just carving out the crease halfway, almost to the end. Then after I blend that out with the brush, I then go in with my Beauty Blender to kind of soften it up and blend out like the harsh lines at the end. This is what's going to help you get that blended look, like gradient effect, you know what I mean? Then I went in with the shimmery pink shade, packing this on the lid, and then I went in with a matte pink shade to pack on next to it, blending that together. I wanted to see how this was going to look. I don't know if it really made a difference, but I wanted to add it into it. So I added some pink in there. Now I went in with this deeper purple. It's kind of like a plum color, and I added that right next to the hot pink matte shadow into the crease and blended that out. Keep in mind, when I blended that out, I didn't have any eyeshadow on it first. Then I went back into the palette and went back with the yellow and the orange into the crease to kind of tie the whole look together. Now I'm going in with these three glitters. This is from Amazon. I went in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Glitter Glue, or eyeshadow. I don't even know what it's called, but it's like a base for glitter. And I packed on the pink first, and then I went in with the lighter orange. I ended up not using the darker orange glitter, just the first two, and just packing that on. This can get kind of messy, so I had a towel underneath on my lap for the fallout, so that way it won't fall on my face, because it's annoying when the glitter gets on your face and then you want to put your face makeup on. So also, when I put the glitter on, I kind of put it blended together. I went in with the Cosmikology brown liner. I don't remember the name, but it is brown. And since it is like a crayon pencil, I have to hold my skin taut so I can get that wing eyeliner. I didn't really get it how I want it to, but listen, it'll do. It'll do. When you put the lashes on, you're really going to be able to see it. I have hooded eyelids, so it's kind of hard to do wing eyeliner if it's not gel. So if I use a pencil, I have to really like pull my whole skin back. Now I went in with the tear duct with some highlighter and some liner, the same brown liner, and I just popped on these lashes again from Amazon, and I did the other eye off camera. And for my base or primer, I use the Cosmikology Aura primer. This is a purple shade. It's going to cancel out any redness in the face, and it also blurs out the pores. I don't use too much, and I kind of like to focus it on the T-zone and just blend it outwards onto the rest of my face. Then for foundation, I went in with the shade I think it's Sunstar. One shade darker than my normal shade. My normal shade is Halo. I want to see how this would look. I haven't used this shade in a while. This is like my summer tan foundation shade. And just blend this out with my Artiste brush. And then I blend that out again with my Beauty Blender, just to take away any like fine lines from the brush if the brush left any fine lines or any patchy areas. Sometimes my brushes do that, I don't know. But you can never go wrong with blending with the Beauty Blender right after. Then I went in with the Cosmikology Star Concealer again, and you only need like, how do I say, like one application. Like, you don't have to dip it back into it. It's lightweight, but it's also pigmented, and I'm just applying this where I normally conceal. This is just how I apply my concealer. I know some people do it differently, but I like doing it this way. I've been doing this way for years, and it works for me. Blending that out with my Beauty Blender, and then I went and I set it with this puff powder like applicator from Amazon, and I used the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder to set my concealer. And I'm gonna make a face that all the girls make when you put mascara on and your mouth is open. Yeah, I make that face when I blend everything out. So yeah. So to bronze up the face, I went in with the pressed powder by Cosmikology. This is the shade Astra, bronze up the face, how I normally contour. I also contour my nose, and I'm doing something different now where I feel like it makes my nose snatch, and that's using the powder puff, putting that into the setting powder, and then kind of just like carving out the sides of my nose right where I contour to make it look straight. Because honestly, I don't have a straight nose. I have a hump, my nose is wide, and I want to give the illusion that I have a skinnier nose and a smaller tip, because I have a bulbous tip. If you know anything about nose and stuff, bulbous tip is when the tip of the nose is very round and it kind of like protrudes out. So that's the kind of nose that I have, and I'm kind of creating the illusion that I have a smaller, slimmer nose. So now I'm applying some shadow on my bottom lash line. I used the orange and yellow shade. I feel like it gives me raccoon eyes, so that's why I went with the orange and the yellow. And then I used the Benefit Highbrow pencil for my waterline. This is for the brows, but I use it for like eyeliner to open up the eyes. And then some mascara. And then I went in with blush. So there's two blushes that I used. I used the Urban Decay Indecent blush. This is peach shade. And then the Cosmikology blush and Mystic. This is a new blush that I'm trying for the first time, and I love it. Cosmikology blushes are A1. All their products are A1. It's clean, vegan, and it meets the standards of Europe that the United States have not met yet. So it meets the Europe standards. And a lot of, makeup brands in Sephora, I'm gonna be honest with you, or even just outside of Sephora, if you ask, oh, where's your Credo makeup? I'm telling you, they're not gonna know what the hell you're talking about. They may say, oh yeah, we have vegan, but they still have certain ingredients in it that Cosmikology doesn't have, and it's manufactured completely different. If you want more info about that, the link is in the description for more info. I went in with some highlight from the Anastasia, one of the glow kits. And then I went in with the Cosmikology Setting Mist. This is also for the skincare, but you can also use it for the makeup. Honey, this makes your makeup stay in place. Now for the NYX Downtown Beauty 22 lip pencil. I went in with this Buxom short mini lipstick I have for a hot minute. Don't even remember the name. It's pink. Looks like this. Look how busted this look. Crazy. Mad small. Came in a set. I add some pink because usually I do like a regular nude. So I'm like, let me do a pinky lip. I went in with the Baddie B Lashes by Jenny 69 lip gloss. This is in the shade Sexy. Put that right on top, and then we're done with the look.
So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I do post a new video. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at therealshaynaa. TikTok with 2 A's at the end, and then therealshaynaa just with 1 A. I'm more active on my TikTok. I'll leave all the info down in the description and right here. Don't forget to check out my website at mydailychoice.com/therealshaynaa. We are having a Mother's Day sale right now. It ends tomorrow, the 14th, if this video gets up in time. We have our Cosmikology makeup and skincare on sale. This is the sprays from the skincare, the foundation, all the other stuff that I mentioned in this video that is from Cosmikology is on sale, 50% off, which is a major big deal. We have essential oil sprays, essential oil infused products like body butters, body scrub, body wash, body lotion. We also have essential sanitary napkins, which is pads, and they're healthier pads for women. Definitely doesn't have any of those toxins and stuff, so definitely look into it. It's going to be on the last page when you click on the link below. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.